The risk step of the data entry is where you can complete any risk assessment questionnaires that your advisor has assigned to you. This will help your advisor gain a better understanding of how much risk you're comfortable taking with your investments. To begin the questionnaire, simply click the questionnaire card on your screen. If you're a joint household, you may see two cards here if your advisor has assigned the same questionnaire to each of you individually. The questionnaire will appear in a drawer on the right side of your screen, where you can select your answers for each question. Like the other data entry steps, this step doesn't need to be completed in one sitting. You can stop at any point by clicking Save and return to the platform later to pick up where you left off. After answering every question, a Complete button will appear in the lower right corner of the data entry drawer. Click this button to finalize your answers and complete your questionnaire. If there is a second questionnaire for the co-client, repeat this process one more time. After all questionnaires have been completed, click Next to move on to the next step.